This right here is a quick video on how I make my whittling blocks for the projects I make on this channel. And I do this because it saves me a lot of money, and I also get to use local resources, which is something that I quite like. So I live in Finland. The basswood that is popular on many other whittling/carving channels is not local here, so that only grows in some parts of North America. And if I wanted to buy those ready-made basswood whittling blocks, a package containing about 12 pieces, maybe some various sizes, costs about 16 to 20 euros around here, plus delivery if that's necessary. But what I'm doing here is using firewood, because with basically half the price, like 6.90 euros, you can get a 40-liter bag of firewood. And if I had a little more storage space, I could buy a cubic meter of various different types of wood for like 60 to 80 euros. And that usually contains silver birch, which is what I made this one out of. The video is coming really soon. Norway spruce is also very common. That's what I use mostly. European red pine is very common. And then sometimes there's a little bit of European aspen in the mix. And all of these are great for whittling. So at least around here, using firewood is a great option. So I start off like this. If the piece of wood was any bigger, I'd use the axe the way it's supposed to be used. But in this case, the knife is just way more precise. So I can get pretty close to the actual size I want right away. And then I use a handsaw to cut the piece into a suitable length. And then I split it again with the same method as before. Technically, you could do all of the splitting at first, but then you run the risk of it splitting kind of unevenly. So due to the grain of the wood and possible knots and everything, and even the shape of the piece of wood, it might not be perfect. So if I cut a piece like this and it's like 20 centimeters long, the other end of the piece might end up too narrow. So that's why I saw it and then go back to splitting. And then after that, it's just a matter of making a few rough cuts to make the piece of wood match those 1 by 1 inch measurements a little bit better. And then that's it. It's quite simple, only took me like maybe 2 minutes. And now I have a whittling block for my next project.